Let's see what we can get. I hate tension that way. I got this open last night, but it took me a minute. Alright, outers or inners are binding. I think I might have overset something, I'm not sure what. This one inner gets set super deep too, though. And I feel like I never get it. There we go. Whatever it was that I had overset back. This thing's got some inners that sit way deeper than the outers too. Like this thing's inner sits really deep. So does fives. Gosh. There we go. Come on, let's not set here now. Something overset. Well, let me show that that's picked. Boom. Now let me drop the drivers in the right holes. There we go. Pull this back off. This is a really cool format too. Being this, oh, it's actually got this key stopper in the back. It's a really cool format though. Oh shit, key stop. And then anytime you got multi-locks too, I recommend that you make sure that the key blade side is down. Why don't you go in there? Oh, because that's the biggest one. Huh. That makes sense. Alright, let me put that core there. And then we're going to get these drivers out. So because this is Japanese format, this uses all standard drivers. And they're short drivers also, as you can see. Which is pretty cool. It's got no spool drivers or anything though. It's just all standards. I've never seen an interactive with all standards, to be honest with you. Only classics. There we go, is that. Let's dump these. Oh shit, that's sixes. Deal with that in a minute. Thank you for coming apart, nice. Alright, there's that key. Here's this right here. And for those people who are wondering what the interactive is, here we go, I'll show you. You see down chamber 2, there's a ball bearing in there. I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you guys or not. But right here, if this would focus in, maybe I could. You can kind of see it there. Right there, there's a ball bearing in too. Right here. And what that actually does is, on the key, that ball bearing actually pushes this up, which lifts it slightly higher than is actually possible. But yeah, there we go. All standards, nothing counter milled, just one little torpedo here. I think this is what I kept oversetting. There's the housing, Japanese round format, pretty cool. There we go, multi-lock, interactive, all standards, blue belt.